In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Exness account. I'm going to show you how to create Exness real account and a demo account. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you have not registered on Exness, just use the link in the description of this video, okay? To be in here, all you have to just put in your email and your password. That is it. As you can see here, I just newly create an account right here. As you can see, this is a real account which is newly account, and this is a demo account which is new. The first thing you need to do before you can create your real account, just go to open real account. You can see a section here, open new account. All you have to just go there. After you go there, just wait for it to load. Let it just load up. And this is where you can choose whether you can open a standard account, a pro account, or a raw account. But the best one is standard account. Let's go with standard account, okay? Go with standard account, okay? This is the best way to create your SNS account, okay? As you can see, leave everything like this. Leave the currency. You can edit. You can put in your nickname right here, and you can create a password. Let me just create a simple password right here. Let me show you. Let me, show you. Let me just create a password, and you can change this name. Maybe you can change to anything you like. Let me just keep it like this. Let me leave it to KB. Always leave the currency to United States and click on create account. Okay, I'll create a new and real account right here. Okay, as you can see, my account is just created right now. Now I just have a real account right here, which I can deposit and withdraw and trade with right now. And to create a demo account too, you have to go to demo account or open, or you can go here. Even you have a no mobile phone, you can follow me with this method. Just go here on open new account, or you see a section here, open new account. This is a demo account. You want to open a demo account. Open, just go here and click on standard, standard account, and just go here to demo. Because you open your account, you can see here, you can see a demo, you can see a real. Let's go with demo. Before we create a real account, now we are going to a demo account. Leave everything like this, and here is where you can add the amount you want to add into your demo account, which is normally is 10,000. You can add 5,500, 10,000. Let me say 10,000 USD. Okay, that is it. Leave the currency like this, and you can create your demo account name. Let me say KB. Demo. Let me give it a name. Look, I've given. I'm just trying to give the account a name, and I'll create a password again. Let me create a password. As you can see, I've given demo account, and I will create a password again. I'll just create my password. As you can see, now my account is fully created. My demo account is fully created. Okay, as you can see here, I have my real account here, and I have my demo account here. So there is it. Just let us just wait for this to load up. It's just loading up. It's saying that account pending, but no problem. It's just going to be approved just right away. Okay. So there is on how you can create your account on Exness. How to create a real account and how you can create a demo account. You can see my real account here. I have 0 USD. I can deposit now and I can withdraw. And you can see here my demo account here. You can see the money here I've prepared. 10,000 USD in my demo account, which I can practice trade with. Okay. So there is to deposit money on your real account. All you have to just go to deposit. This is where you can deposit funds in your real account, okay, which is very good. As you can see here, you can deposit through online bank transfer, Netla, and they have so many options. But let's go with bank and online bank transfer, which is very great. All you have to just put in your payment method, which is online bank we choose, which is very good, and choose in your investment wallet, which is the Mentify or investment wallet. You can choose Mentify or investment wallet. Let me just go to investment and put in the amount you want to deposit inside. Maybe they want to deposit $10. Maybe you want to deposit $10, or any amount you want to deposit. You feel you are comfortable depositing. You want to deposit $10. Any amount you feel like you want to deposit. Right here, I'm in Nigeria, so you can see this is I mean, 50, 10,000 naira right here, but it's good. You can see the currency here in USD. Okay, you can see you can deposit up to 500 USD. To increase the limit, you should verify your profile. Okay, so that is it. Now here I put in 100, thousand naira. Nigeria right here, so it's showing my currency right here. I put in 100,000 naira right here. So as you can see the amount here in naira, in USD. So then click on confirm, click on confirm, and that's it. You can see the amount here in your currency. You can see, you can see the conversion rate here in USD and in your currency right here. As you can see the wallet again, and you can see the amount you want to deposit, and click on confirm. Okay, click on confirm. And I have a video here on this channel which we're going to show you how to verify your account, your Exness account. You can go and watch that on my channel. Okay, as you can see, you can pay with online bank transfer. You see, pay with bank transfer. All you have to just click on here, and see. I want to pay. I want to put in 100,000 naira into my real account, my Exness real account. Okay, before you make this transfer, as you can see, they are telling you transfer only the exact amount. Do not transfer in an incorrect amount. Okay, transfer the exact amount. Make sure you are transferring the exact amount. Okay, do not add and do not I mean make it less. Okay, all you have to just click on I understand and click on continue. Okay, so to provide for you the bank that you are going to make this payment, as you can see here, I have to do now, I will just go to copy this bank and send the money into this bank right here, which is in Lima Bank, and my money will you instantly be getting into my Exness real account immediately, as you can see. So that's it. This is exactly how you can deposit money into your account. Okay, whether you are in Nigeria or in India or any other country, this is how you can deposit money with online bank transfer with this payment method right here. So if you have any value of this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you don't understand anything, you can comment down below. And if you want to verify your account, I have a video here on this channel which will show you how you can verify your account. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And the link of Exness is going to be linked in the description of this video. Okay, goodbye.